Hey guys, so I thought I'd take a quick moment and show you guys what my hair looked like after using this deep treatment mask from Cantu. This is the Intensive Repair Deep Treatment Mask. It says it boosts moisture retention for increased hair elasticity and reduced breakage, made with pure shea butter for added manageability and shine. So this is how my curls look. Before I committed to the full size, I wanted to try out the sample size, which is why I got this little package, and it was only $1.70 from Sally's. So I'm glad I picked this up. My hair had product buildup, it was dirty, it was going on day 8, so it was definitely time for a good wash, condition, and deep treatment. And this is how it looks up close, and this is from the back. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video of me showing you how my hair turned out after using this deep intensive repair mask from Cantu. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you next time.